children, welcome back to our online session. Last time I have sent you link of 12th lesson, that is food for all. In that link we have discussed about traditional method of farming. In that how farmer he himself was taking the help of family member. Apart from that, we have studied some improved methods of agriculture. In that, we have studied improved seed. By using improved seed, how farmer can get good harvest. Then drip irrigation method and sprinkle irrigation method. I hope that you must have understand that point well. Now today, I am going to teach you new concept related to agriculture, that is fertilizer. In the fertilizer, what we want to study? Let's discuss that. If the same crops are grown repeatedly in the field, then it decreases the fertility of the soil. Fertility means what? Supikta. Fertile soil means the land which is good for cultivation. If the farmer is taking the same crop again and again, repeatedly, then ultimately it will reduce the fertility of the soil. At that time, the farmer has to use fertilizer. By using fertilizer, farmer can increase the fertility of soil. So what does it mean, fertilizers? Fertilizers provide the required nutritive substances to the crop, and because of that it increases the fertility of soil also and farmer get good harvest also. Fertilizers are of two types: natural fertilizers and chemical fertilizers. Natural fertilizers are also known as manures. It is made with green waste. Which are green waste? Peels of fruits, then whatever the waste part of the farm, that is the green waste. And by using animal dung, excreta of the animal, cow dung, droplets of goats, sheep, that are also included in the manures. These natural fertilizers are very good for the farming. If the farmer uses these natural fertilizers, then it gives us good harvest. Because of that, we get good crop production. At the same time, it increases the nutritive value of the food substance also, and whatever the crop we are getting, it is very tasty also or delicious also. Our next type is chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers are made with chemicals. It is prepared by chemical substances. Its effect is very, means we can see its effect, we can get good harvest, but at the same time whatever the crop production we are getting, that is not having the good nutritive values. Overuse of chemical fertilizers, it decreases the fertility of the field. The land becomes barren. Barren means नापीक होऊन जाते ती जमीन. We should not use chemical fertilizers in great amount. We should avoid uses of chemical fertilizers. Then you will think that then what should we have to use? We should always use natural fertilizers, manures, which is made with green waste and animal dung. The farmers, those who are using chemical fertilizers, because of the chemicals which are continuously mixing with the soil become barren, infertile. Infertile means napik. Then after some years the farmer will not get good crops. Some farms are near dams or on the bank of the river. Obviously, if the farms are near dams or on the river bank, there is a availability of water, abundance of water is there. So, if the farmer give water, over-watering to the field, what will happen? Because of the over-watering, the farm will become saline or fallow. Saline or fallow means what? Which is the land will become barren, not good for the crop production. If the land will become saline or fallow, then the farmer has to go in the laboratory to test the soil. With the help of that test, the farmer will come to know which substance is lacking in the soil. To make that farm fertile again, then the farmer has to put some substances into the soil, which is very costly. It will require more money. It will be costly, and plus it is time consuming also. The farmer has to go into laboratory, he has to check, he has to collect the result, then he will come to know the lack of the substance, then again he has to buy the substance which the land is lacking. So it is very costly also and time consuming also. So it is very useful, it is very important for the farmer to avoid excessive use of fertilizer also and excessive use of water also. Whatever the fertilizer, whatever amount of water the farmers they are using in the field, it should be in limit. Whatever the crop demand, only that much water, that much fertilizer should be used in the field. So here I am going to end my session. Thank you.